Hello everybody, my name is Justin Kunst, and today in this video we are going to be setting up a client on Call Tracking Metrics. We are going to be creating an account for them so that they can sign up, put in their own payment information. As an agency, we're going to charge them a little bit extra, and Call Tracking Metrics passes on those extra dollars to me, to the company. Really, it's not really to me. This video is part of Timberwolf Advertising's training and outreach, so if you like this, go to our website. You can get a whole lot of really good, freaking incredibly good marketing training on our website, timberwolfadvertising.com. So before we send a email for the client to actually sign up and put in their billing information, we need to set our price markups, because as an agency, we deserve to get paid for our tedious hard work. So we're going to start by taking a little detour over here to our menu. If you don't have it open, select the little hamburgers on the side here. We're going to go down to settings, scroll down to parent agency, and select price markups. I have a standard pricing for all clients. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have set up. Now, if you don't have anything set up, it should take you right to creating a new price markup. Okay. Now, if you already have one here, you don't really know what it is, you can probably remove it or just create a new one. So let's go ahead and jump into this one that I have set up. I call standard pricing. And as we go down here, we are going to select to markup calls, and for the most part, I have everything marked up 150%. So the cost for the client, they're paying 10 cents per minute, and my cost is 4 cents per minute as it currently is right now. In this rapidly inflating economy, we don't know what the price per minute is going to be tomorrow. We don't know what it's going to be a week from now nor a month from now. But what we can rest assured is that as those prices change, our markup will change. So local minute price increases, customer cost increases automatically. Feedback loops are super important, and one of the nice things about them signing up with Call Tracking Metrics directly is they are going to have their own account. So as prices change, I'm not going to have to reach out, I'm not going to have to contact them. You remember how you're paying 0.0000, now you're paying 0.00001. Our price markup across the board, except one area, phone numbers. We have that as a fixed cost per number. I set that at $10. You can maybe set it at $20. Basically, each campaign is going to have likely at least one number. You'll have one general number, so they're paying $10 per month. They're saving money because a call tracking subscription is going to start off at least something like $50 a month if they had a subscription without your sub account. So they're paying $10 per number, okay? So they're already saving money, and then the additional markup on the minute, it really isn't going to amount to too much. It's going to be a couple dollars per month. So in most cases, each client, if you have a phone number for organic or general website traffic, and then a phone number for Google Ads, you'll need two numbers actually. You'll need a number for the website click traffic, and then you'll need a separate number for the extension and the call only ads. So we would have to end up setting them up with three numbers, so they're paying $30 per month plus a small amount per minute. Honestly, they're getting a deal and a steal, because they're also going to get the active forms included in that, active forms. And I am excited to look into the different chat options that Call Tracking Metrics has. Ooh, I haven't even really gotten into that. And that's a whole nother channel for communication and contact. And I've seen some very good results with live chat. So stay tuned. We'll do a different video on that in the future. Timberwolf Advertising. So we got our 150% markup. I hope that you have something similar, maybe do more. And we're gonna have to fill all this in. If you don't, it'll give you a little red error saying go fill it in. And at the bottom, we need to do before you do anything, make sure that you are, hallelujah, Lord, pray, Almighty, we are saved. Here we go. Now we got to create a new sign up page. Let's go ahead and, okay, so this is going to be the title. And look at this, we're doing this together. We are in it to win it, my friend. Yeah, look at this. So if they had the Marketing Pro, which is basically what they get access to when they are using your account, and they were paying monthly, they're paying $179 per month. Their Marketing Lite is $80. So they would literally have to have 8 phone numbers running to even like make up for the cost. So anyways, you're giving them a good deal. And if they're like, oh, I'm just gonna double check call tracking metrics, they're gonna be like, oh yeah, I'm getting a good deal. Why am I harping on the good deal? Because I like to give a good deal. I really do. I like to give a good deal. So anyways, we're back over here on the description. We put in our title, we said, join Timberwolf Advertising's advanced call tracking. Our description says, get complete coverage on website calls and advanced lead forms, because that is exactly what they get. Ain't that? So who pays for call tracking? Well, it's going to be the customer whenever they sign up, and because they may need a couple calls, a couple phone numbers, we're going to set our balance to $50. As we scroll down, we have user setup. How much access do we want to give the client to their own account to go in and muck things up? The answer is full access. Oh, if you said anything less than complete and full access, unfortunately, you aren't working for Timberwolf Advertising, because we allow the client to be empowered. Elevator? No, Elevator. If you are not familiar with the motto of Timberwolf Advertising, you're about to hear it, because we literally just came up with it. Naviga, Domina, Eleva. Naviga, Domina. So let's save changes. We scroll back down here. We got our setup and welcome emails. Okay, for our welcome email, we're gonna jump over to ChatGPT and have it write our email for us. So it's just gonna take a snap. Okay, so I'm trying to fill this out, and I want to have an email go to them that says, hey, you signed up with me, and here's the login information. Unfortunately, I don't know what the login page is. This is embarrassing. Naviga. Okay, I believe that they just log in at calltrackingmetrics.com. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to move forward with that. We'll do some tests, test some things out. Maybe we'll set up our own test account. I think that is actually a really good idea. We do a run through of the account setup, make sure it's a setup properly, and then we move forward. Set up text. For setup text, relax. Our team is going to take care of it all for you. Don't worry about it. So let's go ahead and save that. Well, we're back over at sign up pages here, because this is what we're going to have to send over to the client so that they can actually sign up. User role administrator. Let's go ahead and preview, see what it looks like. In our starting balance, we're looking at the sign up page, and hey, what do we got? It's just like, hey, we want your money. We're not going to tell you how much it's going to cost you per call, per number. So we better actually go back and change that. Let's go ahead and edit. And we have an area up here at the top. Let's go ahead and put our pricing. So I'll just put the pricing. See if we can put a little BR here, a little break. Pricing, $10 per month per local number, plus 10 cents per minute inbound. Save, refresh. Nope, it just has the BR. So let's go ahead and remove that and resave it. Okay, so it has the pricing here, very nice. All right, starting balance. So I feel like this is actually pretty good to send to them. That's all saved. Let's go back to our sign up pages here. And now we can go ahead and copy this to the clipboard. So we're gonna pause here, because at this point we can now send it to the client for them to sign up. Domina. Excellent, good job. you followed this tutorial up to this point, you now have a link to send to the client. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to open up an email over here, send it to them, and we are going to continue on in the next video. And this concludes our tutorial for today. Before I cut out, I just want to say, check out Timberwolf Advertising. Although we are in the works of building it out, you're going to find some really awesome tutorials right there. So I can't give you the preview of the tutorials. Go check it out yourself, timberwolfadvertising.com. And of course, if you need any marketing services, you need any support or assistance with your advertising, digital imprint on the world, give us a call. We will make it happen for you. My name is Justin, the CEO of this miraculous company. I'll talk to you soon.